Hey everyone, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of the newspaper of Wednesday, May the 20th, 2020. Tomorrow there are no Sudokus, no newspaper, so no Sudokus. So let's get started with this binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means a 4 in a row or in a column. There will be always a 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. And then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, and there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Then double 1, here and O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have 4 1's here, so the rest are O's. We have... No, we do not have... yes, we have here 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 1's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. Double 1 here an O. Then O. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1's in this column. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1's. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two O's comes an 1. Then we need to... No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then I need to compare, I think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And how do we compare this? 101, do we have a 101? No, so I need to compare with the columns. No, this is different. How about this 1001? Do we have a 10? Yes, match. This is a match. This one and that one. Let's compare. Empty box O. 1100 1100 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. I cannot place an O here, otherwise this will be a 1. Then we have identical columns. So this must be a... This is an O. This should be a 1. This is a 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright. For this binary puzzle, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. That will be a tectonic. aka Suguru. See you soon. Bye bye.